A big thank you to Surfshark for sponsoring this week's video. Good morning. It's your birthday.
It's my birthday. It's so weird when it's your own birthday, I think.
Isn't it weird?
Yeah. We're getting old, Lou.
Yeah.
Isn't that exciting?
Mm-hmm.
So while the tea is steeping, I am getting us a VPN right now from a company called Surfshark, which is sponsoring this video. So thank you for sponsoring us and for being an amazing birthday present, because with Surfshark, you can change what country your computer thinks it's in and therefore get access to American Netflix, which is much better than Croatian Netflix. There's new stuff, Lou. You heard of a show called The Politician? Because I haven't. Yeah. This is really crazy. I wonder what else. Oh, the other thing that this Surfshark can do, which is great, is when you're booking tickets, you can make your computer think you're in that country, even when you're still wherever you are, and then get better prices on tickets because you can get local prices on things by having your computer think it's in a different country, which is really fantastic, and I feel like something we can do in the future.
Yeah.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
We have a code in our description box, and you get 83% off your first purchase, so that's a real deal, and I hope you enjoy it. But let's enjoy some tea, watch a little Netflix, and then we make pancakes.
Mm-hmm.
This is already the best birthday, Lou.
It's gonna be so chill.
I'm so excited to hang out.
Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Faces merchant.
It's my birthday.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Birthday, deep darling. Happy birthday to you.
The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
There we go. Not a lot of hiding places in a van.
Oh,
But
what? Where'd you get this box?
I made it.
No.
Yeah, that's what took so long this morning. Alright, little nibble, but no eating it all. Alright.
Okay, just a nibble.
In injustice dead, and in the eyes of time, nobody's losing. Sparrows will be here by dawn. When we find this over, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Oh, there we go.
Who cares if they're wrinkly though, right? I'll be wrinkly one day too, Lou. You still love me?
Are we getting old?
A little bit old. I wonder if we're too old to live in a van. 29 years old. I don't think so.
No?
I think it's so funny, like age is such a wild concept. I feel like when I was younger, like 15 or something, when I thought of what it meant to be 30 or like almost 30, now that I'm 29, you know, into my late 20s, I thought such a different reality would be in front of me, like going into my 30s. I thought I probably would be like have a house, have kids, all these things, and yet now we live in a van, and I'm sure for some people they're like, what are you guys doing with your life or whatever, but for us it feels so right, and I'm so grateful. Especially, honestly, I think the only reason that this whole existence is possible is because we moved to Berlin. Because like leaving what I thought was like a path to go to Berlin and see so many versions of what living can look like and what aging as a woman can be. I feel like we made friends with people in their mid-30s and they were still figuring out their career and they didn't have a partner, didn't have kids, and didn't have it like all figured out. And I feel like that's such a false sense that we tell young people, is that everything will like get figured out and everything needs to be figured out by the time you turn 30. Like, oh my gosh, you're aging, like you're not gonna be able to have kids if you don't have them now. Like, I mean, it sounds silly, but like I feel like sometimes like that pressure, especially as a woman. But to like turn 29 in our van and just have like the peace of being here, it feels like really right for us.
Yeah, it's special.
Right? So I don't know. For me, we're not too old, but for somebody else, I think that's what it is. Like, aging is what you make of it. It's whatever is right for you, and that can be so different for different people. This is the last of the bunch.
Okay, make a wish.
Yay! Oh, this is so fun. They turned out really pretty.
Right?
Now they just need maple syrup. A lot of it. And we can split them. I do not want all of them.
You don't?
No!
You don't want all these pancakes?
No way. Can you believe I found 9 candles in here? That was lucky.
That's why you have a junk drawer.
Yeah, a junk section.
Tell me where you're going to hang out with all your friends. You don't have any secrets, do you? Care about how all this ends? You don't have to tell me anything. We could just sit here
That is cold.